In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with WooCommerce. This guide is perfect for 2025, ensuring you have the latest steps to connect these powerful platforms seamlessly. As always, I'll guide you through this process step by step so you won't miss a thing. Let's start by heading over to your Xero dashboard. This is your control panel for all things accounting and finance within Xero. Think of it as your home base for managing your business finances. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the Xero App Store, a treasure trove of tools designed to enhance your Xero experience. Look for the option that says Open Xero App Store and give it a click. Once the store is open, you'll find a search bar. Type WooCommerce into the search field. Be mindful of the spelling to ensure you find the exact app you need. Upon seeing the WooCommerce app in the search results, go ahead and select it. Now you'll see a Get This App button, which is your next click. This begins the process of linking your WooCommerce store with your Xero account. Xero will ask for permission to allow access to certain features within your WooCommerce store. So it's important to review this information, and when you're ready, click on Allow Access. This ensures both platforms can communicate effectively. You're nearly done. But first, Xero requires some additional information. You'll be prompted to type in your name and last name. Make sure you provide the correct information to avoid any setbacks. Next, enter your contact number. This is important in case customer support needs to reach you. After that, create a password. It should be a strong one, ideally a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to secure your account. You'll need to enter this password again to confirm it. It's a standard security measure to ensure you've typed your desired password correctly. With all that information accurately entered, click on Register. This completes the integration process, officially linking your WooCommerce and Xero accounts. Once registered, you can start managing your WooCommerce sales and inventory directly through Xero, making your accounting tasks more streamlined and hassle-free. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Xero with WooCommerce following the 2025 guide. This process not only enhances your bookkeeping efficiency, but will also save you time and reduce errors by automating the transfer of data between these two powerful platforms. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarity on any step, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.